Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Afiat Nilasha. My ID last four digit is 1630. Today now I will be discuss my part is transducer. Transduction, the process of converting one form of energy into another. Transducer, the device that perform that conversion. Why use electrical transducer? Most real world parameter are non-electrical pressure, temperature, displacement, force. Electrical method of measurement of is major advantage like better sensitivity, accuracy, and speed. Easier signal conducting, amplification, and transmission. Electrical transducer definition. A transducer is a device which, when accurate by energy in one form, producer and electrical output energy. Next slide. Advantage of electrical transducer. We can see there has some point advantage of electrical transducer include. Now I can explain. Low power control. Electrical signal require very little power for control, making the system energy efficient. Easy data handling. The electrical output can be easily amplified, recorded, transmitted, and processed efficiently is digital system. Minimize friction, less mechanical contact, reduce friction, which is our increased device, the minimize mass inertia, fewer of light moving part, result in low inertia, giving faster response and better accuracy. Next slide. Classification of transducer. A classification can be done based on the electrical circuit parameter that is be changed due to a presence of the physical parameter to be measured. The first of all resistance, second capacitance, and third induction, and fourth voltage and current. Primary transducer. The transducer that sends a physical phenomenon at the first stage of detection, like thermocouple. Secondary transducer, the physical phenomenon is first sensed by a non-electrical transducer. Its output is then converted into a electrical signal by an electrical transducer. It's the second transducer is called the secondary transducer. For example, in one type of pressure meter stage one bounder tube input pressure non-electrical and output mechanical displacement. Stage 2 secondary transducer electrical sensing input mechanical displacement from bounder tube and output electrical signal voltage current or digital. Thank you everyone. Thank you sir.